This is the Xiaomi Pad Mini, and I've been testing its software, its display, and gaming on it quite a bit. And today I'm going to give you reasons why this mini tablet is an absolute powerhouse and could be your next gaming device. So where the Red Magic Astra adopts a more sort of gaming-centric look and feel, the Xiaomi Pad Mini doesn't. It's a more day-to-day look, very sedate, some may argue, but personally I think it looks fantastic and feels fantastic too, because you get a all metal unibody design and it's amazing. It even has stylus support if you wanted to use that as well. But other key things to note that make this particularly interesting is regardless of rotation, be it portrait or landscape, you will have a near non-interference when it comes to charging. So if you use the bypass charger, you can charge here or you can charge there. It makes no difference. Now, there have been some reports about issues with holding the device and gaming and having issues with the volume up and down and power key, but I don't see that because the keys are here and I'm holding it like this. I have no interaction with that. So that was a bit of a weird thing, but otherwise the look and feel is top tier. Up front, you get an 8.8 inch 3K LCD display at 165 Hertz. So gamers, hello. And then when you actually use this to watch any content, you're gonna get a super vibrant, punchy, excellent experience. And I don't want to talk too much about the display because I want to show you the display and also talk about its incredible bass, clarity, and sound output. In terms of the OS, it launched with HyperOS 2, but we actually received it and it had HyperOS 3 on this, so we'll review it based on that. And let's talk about some of the OS features. It looks really, really good. Runs butter smooth. No issues at all here with any frame rates, drops, dragging, anything at all. It just works really, really well. And I also want to highlight, it has some really, really cool productivity features on here. Things like workspaces, you access this through the drop-down menu in your control center, and this will allow you to use 3 floating windows at the exact same time. I would say can be a little bit confusing, but still works really, really well. If you use just a normal multitasking and have split windows, again, they work really well. You can remove one and add one and then drag across the entire display and it just works fantastically. In terms of AI, we'll touch on those. It still has a whole suite of AI features, but things like AI Eraser, AI note-taking, and all that is on here as well. And both of those work really, really well. One weird thing to note though, the display is 165 Hertz, but we never saw it exceed more than 120 Hertz in the entire time we used the OS. Still feels incredibly smooth, but just a note. And this tablet, which I'm guessing is sort of like top tier in terms of its performance and where it's marketed at and as a gaming machine, doesn't have a fingerprint sensor in the power button or on the display to unlock it. So it's pattern, face, or pin as your only methods to unlock the Xiaomi Pad Mini. But in real world terms, this Xiaomi Pad Mini, when it comes to using this daily for things like browsing the web, gaming, and just going about your day-to-day duties, we found using this for a number of hours, it only lost 3% in its total battery life, which is wild. In fact, if you look at the settings here in this battery menu, at 54%, you got so many hours, well over a few days use with just leaving it as it is, and we gained for almost an hour and a half at the time of showing you that menu, and it works really, really well. You even get access to things like bypass charging as well through dual ports that will allow you to charge the battery and maintain its health whilst you're gaming. And speaking about gaming, that's what we're here for. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the performance of the Xiaomi Pad Mini playing Call of Duty Mobile in top settings. What is going on? Ooh, fancy gun. Headshot. Nice. Nice.
Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. Hardpoint is ours. Changing mag. Recon. Reloading. Cover me. Repeat. UAV reconfirmed. Hostile sentries spotted. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Boom! Headshot.
Ah. Let's game. Yeah, settings. Before we leave you, we just wanted to touch on a couple of key things on the Xiaomi Pad Mini. This is only available as a Wi-Fi only version. There is no cellular option, and getting it imported in is the only option because this isn't actually available outside of some parts of Europe and China. So here in the UK, you would need to import this in. And then the lack of an FP sensor, the fingerprint sensor, those I think are the only downsides to this tablet. If you're looking for a gaming tablet in 2026, you're thinking Red Magic Astra or this Xiaomi Pad Mini, you have a really difficult choice. What I would say though is I think this particular tablet, the Xiaomi Pad Mini, because of its OS support, will give you slightly better longevity, as a Red Magic Astra is a bit of a question mark when it comes to its updates. But let us know in the comment section below your thoughts on this gaming focused tablet, and is it something you would buy in 2026? And while you're commenting, be sure to like and subscribe and support our channel as we hit 50k subs in 2026. Until next one, as always, we out.